Prosecution wants 3 years in prison for former Korean Air Vice President Cho Yun-ah for the infamous nut rage incident. More elderly people with just a high school education are finding employment as a record 10 million high school graduates find their place in the labor market. And Korea's automotive parts trade with Japan saw a surplus for the first time last year after years of chronic deficits. Hello and welcome to News Today on KBS World. It's Tuesday, February 3rd. I'm Luke Clary. The prosecution has asked for 3 years in prison for former Korean Air Vice President Cho Yun-ah. Chief Purser Park Chang-jin testified at trial on Monday that Cho assaulted and verbally abused him and a flight attendant.
The prosecution asked for 3 years in prison for former Korean Air Vice President Cho Yun-ah for changing the flight route. Prosecutors asked for a prison term because the airline heiress still keeps blaming the flight attendant and chief purser as the cause of the whole incident. They also added that she apologized and appeared to be remorseful only in front of the press, not because she was truly sorry, but because she couldn't silence the public outrage. Chief Purser Park Chang-jin took to the stand dressed in his uniform and testified that Cho's order to disembark, as well as her assaults and verbal abuse, were all true. He also said that he had never made a mistake in cabin service, and the ex-vice president must have known that the plane was moving when she ordered him off the plane. However, Cho argued that the flight attendant definitely did not follow the service manual and that she didn't know the plane was moving. She added that she had indeed told the chief purser to get off the plane, but the final decision had been left up to the pilot. But Cho did apologize that her eagerness to better perform her job had prevented her from being considerate of others. Her sentencing will take place on February 12th.
Last year, the number of high school graduates who landed jobs surpassed 10 million people for the first time, as fewer people pursue higher education. More elderly people with just a high school education are finding employment.
Kim Han-sol graduated from a high school specializing in tax accounting a year ago. Directly upon her graduation, she landed a job at a bank.
남들보다 먼저 취업을 하고 난 다음에 그 후에 일이 적응이 되고 난 다음에 대학 진학을 해도 괜찮다는.
Last year, the number of newly employed high school graduates surpassed 10 million people. The rise is due to a growing perception that higher education is just an option rather than a necessity. The college enrollment rate in Korea soared to 84% in 2008, but has been declining ever since, falling to 71% last year. One of the reasons lies in public agencies, which have been hiring more high school graduates over the past 3 years. Another factor is the rising employment rate among people in their 50s and over, as a high percentage of them have only high school diplomas. However, the wage gap remains wide at over 60%, with high school graduates earning significantly less than those with college degrees.
직무 중심으로 노동시장 질서를 바꿔줘야지만 고졸자들이 이후에 전직도 가능하고 승진도 가능하고.
To help high school graduates acquire professional knowledge, it is necessary for employers to help them earn college degrees even after landing jobs.
Korea's automotive parts trade with Japan saw a surplus for the first time last year after years of chronic deficits. The Korean automotive parts industry's turnaround is particularly meaningful as it comes in spite of the forced devaluation of Japanese currency and because Korea has long struggled to catch up with Japanese automotive parts makers.
The machines produce components that keep a car's engine temperature at a proper level. This company won a deal to supply parts for Japan's top automaker, Toyota, 2 years ago. Last year, the company's exports to Japan amounted to nearly $5.5 million, and this year it aims to more than double that figure.
올해에는 한 150억 정도 예상을 하고 있고요. 토요타 프로젝트를 저희가 수주하면서 그 예전 대비 거의 2배 이상 성장을 할 것으로 예상을 하고 있습니다.
Owing to a number of thriving manufacturers, Korea's automotive parts trade with Japan saw a surplus of $23 million last year. Just 5 years ago, Korea had posted a deficit of $1 billion. This is the first time that Korea has overturned a chronic deficit with Japan. Ever since the devastating earthquake in eastern Japan in 2011, Japanese automakers broadened its pool of parts suppliers to include overseas companies. Korean automotive parts manufacturers capitalized on that opportunity. The Korean automotive parts industry's first trade surplus with Japan demonstrates that the challenge of the devalued Japanese currency can be overcome with competitive products.
Rice consumption has been on steady decline in Korea, yet production continues to grow, further exacerbating anxiety among farmers. And to make matters worse, Korea must import a certain amount of foreign rice this year, which may result in oversupply.
A growing number of Koreans these days prefer fast food for lunch instead of rice.
아침밥은 일주일에 한 번 정도 먹고요. 점심에 패스트푸드는 일주일에 한 2번 정도.
Many customers ordering Korean food eat less than one full bowl of rice.
밥을 한 공기 다 먹으면 제가 되게 과식한다는 생각이 들어가지고 밥을 조금 덜어놓고 먹는 편입니다.
Last year, the annual per capita rice consumption in Korea hit a record low of 65.1 kilograms. That's just 178.2 grams of rice a day. By contrast, rice production reached 4,240,000 tons in 2014, an increase of 11,000 tons from the previous year. Taking into account the amount of rice Korea is required to import, the nation is highly likely to face an oversupply of rice this year. As a result, the producer price of one 80-kilogram sack of rice fell approximately $8 in just 1 year to around $151. The Ministry of Agriculture plans to launch yet another campaign promoting rice consumption. But experts say that the government should start increasing rice exports, which have been low so far, in line with the opening of the nation's rice market.
What would you do if you found out that your college acceptance was suddenly canceled by someone else who stole your personal information via the internet? The police have arrested a young woman who posed as an online friend to her identity theft victim.
A female student with the surname Ryu was accepted into college late last year and uploaded a photo of her college acceptance letter on the internet. But about 2 weeks later, her college acceptance was canceled. Somebody had stolen her identity to request a refund of her tuition deposit, which led the college to cancel her admission.
청천벽력 때문에 합격을 했을 때 되게 기뻤는데 한순간에 그게 무너졌으니까.
The identity thief turned out to be a 19-year-old girl identified by her surname Kim. Kim and Ryu were so-called online friends who had become friends on the internet but had never met in person. Kim used Ryu's personal information made available on her online account. The agency that submitted Ryu's college application forms was deceived in a phone call by Kim, who knew Ryu's personal information very well.
회원님 맞으세요? 휴대폰 번호 불러주세요. 이 번호로 다시 보내드렸어요. 로그인해주면 되세요.
Kim logged into the college homepage with a new password, and Ryu's college acceptance was canceled in an instant.
뒤통수 맞은 느낌? 그거 합격했다고 올렸을 때 축하한다고 해줬던 사람인데.
During police questioning, Kim said that she became jealous of Ryu when she saw that Ryu had been accepted by the college that she failed to get into. Meanwhile, Ryu was readmitted to the college in question after her case was reviewed by the school in an admissions meeting.
1 in every 5 Koreans use low-end mobile phones known as feature phones. Here's more on the popularity of older cell phone models.
Homemaker Lee Ju-ye has been using her folder-type phone for 8 years now.
배터리도 많이 닳지도 않고요. 요금도 저렴하고 또 복잡하지 않아서 좋아요.
Some 13 million people in Korea are using older models of mobile phones instead of smartphones. That's 1 in every 5 users. A growing number of younger adults and teenagers are also gravitating to low-end feature phones to prevent smartphone addiction and privacy leaks. Compared to smartphones, feature phones are easier to carry around and use, as they have only the most essential functions. The latest models of foldable feature phones even offer internet banking and social networking functions.
버튼에 좀 더 익숙한 분들한테 인기를 끌 걸로 보이고요. 예전에 폴더폰에 대한 향수가 있으신 분들도 많이 찾으실 걸로 예상이 됩니다.
But issues remain in the market which must be addressed. Finding low-end feature phones is not easy these days, as producers and cell phone dealers shun them due to low profitability.
Okay, now here's the story of a musical drama newly adapted and transformed to help visually impaired audiences better understand what they're hearing. Here are some scenes from the show.
After the show begins with a cheerful, exciting song and dance, a married couple has an argument over the issue of memorial services the woman has to prepare for her husband's ancestors. A special version of the music drama begins again after the original show ends. There's no dancing in the show, but a commentator adds explanations of each scene for the special audience.
남자가 양손에 장바구니를 들고 씩씩대며 걸어오고 있다. 여자, 정류장에 놓인 벤치에 앉기 무섭게 투덜거리기 시작한다.
The husband gets drunk and falls asleep on a street bench after drinking with a friend who was swindled. For the visually impaired audience, the commentator elaborately describes the wife who looks for her husband.
남편을 찾는 듯 서성이며 걸어오다 노숙자 꼬락서니 남편을 발견한다.
어디서 강봉식 씨?
아인데요. The audience bursts into laughter and wipes the rolling tears from their faces every now and then.
같은 공간에서 같은 현장감을 느끼고 그런 분위기를 공유할 수 있는 이런 공연들이 늘어났으면.
It was a rare and moving opportunity for visually impaired people to visit a theater for a show.
Movies offering a visual spectacle are popular every year, and some films entertain the eyes of moviegoers with panoramic natural landscapes or appetizing dishes. Here are a few examples of this beautiful trend.
A woman in despair goes hiking as a way to recover from a recent crisis and find new hope.
Oh my God. What have I done?
The course she selects is a precarious one, measuring 4,200 kilometers in length. The panoramic scenic views in the film captivate moviegoers.
네, 실제 그 현장에 있는 듯 되게 생생하게 펼쳐지는 게 인상 깊었어요. 이제 보면서 한번 가보고 싶다 그런 생각이 들던데요.
Freshly baked bread and jam made with fresh fruit. There are also close-ups of fish sizzling on a grill and fresh tomato spaghetti. A feast of appetizing dishes and the sounds of cooking mixed with cheerful background music stimulate the eyes and ears of viewers.
쿠바 샌드위치 보면서 저거 진짜 팔면 당장 사서 먹고 싶다라는 생각 들 정도.
Vivid scenes appealing to all of the 5 senses are a recent cinematic trend. Experts say that while dealing with similar subjects, filmmakers must employ special strategies to make their movies stand out.
같은 이야기의 영화일지라도 얼마만큼 볼거리를 집어넣느냐에 따라서 그 이야기가 사람들에게 훨씬 더 효과적으로 전달될 수 있다라는 점을.
Viewers are being treated to ever more fulfilling vicarious experiences through vivid scenes in the movies.
Seasoning and spices play a crucial role in determining the taste of our food, but few people know how to store seasoning properly. Because they're made with various ingredients, different seasonings and spices can go bad. Here's more. When it comes to cooking, spices and seasonings are indispensable. Most homemakers store their spices and seasonings in easy-to-reach places in their kitchen.
온도가 높고 직사광선이 비친다든지 습도가 높은 곳에 보관을 하게 되면은 세균이나 곰팡이 등이 잘 증식을 할 수가 있습니다.
We checked how perilla seed oil changed when stored at room temperature versus a refrigerator. At room temperature, its tendency to go bad increased sixfold.
실온에 놔뒀을 때는 아무래도 산패가 더 빨리 일어난다는 걸 볼 수가 있습니다. 식품 공전상의 상가에 대한 들기름의 기준이 5.0 이하로 설정이 되어 있습니다.
Here's how to store spices and seasonings properly. Soy sauce and salted anchovy sauce should always be refrigerated to keep them fresh. Sesame and perilla seeds as well as red pepper powder should also be refrigerated in small amounts. When you have to store larger amounts for a long time, keep them in your freezer in airtight containers.
습기가 많은 곳에 고춧가루를 보관하는 경우에는 이렇게 색깔이 변하거나 이렇게 덩어리가 져 보이고 그다음에 곰팡이 이렇게 균사가 자라가 있는 것을 보입니다. 오염되어 있는 고춧가루를 먹었을 때는 식중독이라든가 이런 증상을 일으킬 수 있습니다.
Salted shrimp should be kept in the freezer as well. This way, it always stays fresh, but doesn't freeze because of its salinity. When it comes to oils, store them in cool, dark places. Honey and homemade extracts should be kept at room temperature in cool places because sugar lumps easily when refrigerated. As for salt and sugar, which absorb moisture more easily, place a few toothpicks in the containers or spread a kitchen towel at the bottom. You could also minimize moisture in the container by attaching a dehumidifying packet to the lid. To prevent sifter caps of spice jars from becoming clogged, put in a few rice grains. This helps prevent lumping and clogging. By keeping your spices and seasonings in the right place, you can prepare more healthful and delicious food at home. And now let's take a look at the markets, followed by the world weather. And that's it for this edition of News Today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again at the same time tomorrow. Goodbye.